Hello children, how are you? Welcome to math class. Children, now we are going to do activity buzz on pre-number concepts. Children, do you like to do activities? Yes, I too like activities. Okay, first let us see what is that activity given here. Children, take few objects from the class or house like sharpeners, pencils, bags, books, water bottles, chairs, spoons, etc. and find the biggest, smallest, tallest, shortest, thickest, thinnest, heaviest and lightest among the objects. Children, here are some objects to do this activity. I will show you one by one. Let us start the activity. Children, I have 3 perfumes here. Children, I have 3 perfume bottles. Okay. In those bottles, the first bottle is this. This is the first bottle. See here, it is big in size, no? Yes. Now see the second one. It is very big than this one. It is very big than this one. So that we can say it is the bigger one. It is the bigger one than the big one. Okay. Big one, bigger one. Okay. Now see the next one. It is the third perfume bottle. See, it is very big than the remaining 2 bottles, no? Yes. So that we can say it is the biggest bottle. It is the biggest bottle. Big bottle, bigger bottle, biggest bottle. Big, bigger, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Is it clear? Yes. See the next one. Children, now I have 3 bottles. In those 3 bottles, the first bottle is small in size. The first bottle is small in size. It means it is a small bottle. Okay. It is a small bottle. Now see here the second one. It is very small than the first one. It is very small than the first one. So that we can say it is the smaller one than the small one. Okay. It is the smaller bottle than small bottle. And see the last one. It is very small than the remaining 2 bottles. It is very small than the remaining 2 bottles. So that we can say it is the smallest one. It is the smallest one. Small bottle, smaller bottle, smallest bottle. Small, smaller, smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. Okay. See children, here we have 3 paint brushes. How many brushes? 3 paint brushes. In these brushes, the first one is tall in height. The first one is tall in height. So that we can say it is a tall paint brush. Okay. Tall paint brush. Okay. Now see the second one. It is little bit tall than the first one. It is little bit tall than the first brush. So that we can say it is a taller brush. It is a taller brush. See the next one. Here one more brush is there. It is very tall than the remaining 2 brushes. It is very tall than the remaining 2 brushes. So that we can say it is the tallest brush. It is the tallest brush. See children. Tall brush, taller brush, tallest brush. Tall, taller, tallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Okay. See the next one. See children, here we have 3 scissors. Here we have 3 scissors. In these 3 scissors, the first scissor is short. The first scissor is short. So that we can say it is a short scissor. It is a short scissor. Okay. Now see the second one. It is very short than the first one. It is very short than the first one. So that we can say it is the shorter one than the first one. It is the shorter one than the first one. Okay. Short one, shorter one. Short, shorter. And the last scissor is very short than the remaining 2 scissors. Okay. It is very short than the remaining 2 scissors. So that we can say it is the shortest scissor. It is the shortest scissor than the remaining 2 scissors. Okay. Short scissor, shorter scissor, shortest scissor. Short, shorter, shortest. Okay. See the next one. See children, here we have three remotes. In these three remotes, the first one is thick. The first one is thick. It is a thick remote. Okay. Now, the second one looks little bit thick than the first one. This is little bit thick than the first one. So that we can say it is the thicker one. Thick remote, thicker remote. Thick, thicker. Now see the last one. It is very thick than the remaining two remotes. It is very thick than the remaining two remotes. So that we can say it is the thickest remote. It is the thickest remote. Thick remote, thicker remote, thickest remote. Thick, thicker, thickest. Thick, thicker, thickest. Okay children. Now see the next one. See children, here we have three pens. How many pens? Three pens. In these three pens, the first one is thin. The first one is thin. It is a thin pen. It is a thin pen. Now coming to the second one, it is little bit thin than the first one. Little bit thin than the first one. So that we can say it is the thinner pen. It is the thinner pen than the first one. So that we can say it is thinner. Okay. Now coming to the third one. See, it is very thin than the remaining two pens. So that we can say it is a thinnest pen. It is a thinnest pen. Okay. See children, thin pen, thinner pen, thinnest pen. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Okay. See children, here we have three jars. How many jars? Three jars. In these three jars, the first one is heavy in weight. The first one is heavy in weight. Okay. Now see the second one. It is little bit heavy than the first one. It is little bit heavy than the first one. So that we can say it is heavier. It is heavier. It means heavy jar, heavier jar. Now the last one is very heavy in weight. It is very heavy than the remaining two jars. So that we can say it is the heaviest jar. It is the heaviest jar. Okay. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Okay children? Children, here are three power batteries. How many batteries? Three batteries. In these three batteries, the first one is light in weight. The first one is light in weight. So that we can say it is light. Okay. Now the second one is little bit light than the first one. Little bit light than the first one. So that we can say it is lighter one. It is lighter one. And the last one is very light than the remaining two batteries. So that we can say it is the lightest battery. Light battery, lighter battery, lightest battery. It means light, lighter, lightest. Okay. Children, I hope you understand the concept much better by doing this activity, right? Okay children, you also try to do one activity on pre-number concepts with some of the objects which are available at your house. But don't use harmful things like scissors, knives, etc. Very good. Children, once recap all the concepts one by one in pre-number concepts.